Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new MacBook Pro. It is the 2020 model. It is the 13-inch screen with the M1 chip, and I just am really looking forward to it. I've never had a MacBook before in my life. So I'll give you guys a close-up. Here's the outside of the box. Of course, it says MacBook Pro on the top. And Apple has really set a standard for their packaging. And as the consumer, I definitely appreciate it. So I'm gonna get right to it. Gonna go ahead and start with this tag. And that's all off. Whew. Big moment. Okay, that's the box. This is all nice and wrapped up and covered in plastic, and it's honestly lighter than I thought it was. I thought 3 pounds was heavier than this, so that's a pleasant surprise because I do not like a big, bulky, heavy laptop. Before, I had a Dell. Ooh. Okay then, Apple. That's scary. That caught me off guard. See, I'm used to, like I said before, I had a Dell. I'm used to, shoot, threw me off. I'm used to, you have to plug it in, turn it on or something. This is just ready. So, to make sure it doesn't.
Is the main language. Press the return key.
So, Siri asked me to press return. Country of origin. I gotta scroll all the way down here. 3 years later. And I have to select my Wi-Fi. Paradise 2 is my faster network. But I tell people, yeah, just use Paradise 1. Don't tell anybody. This is just the, I guess, the information booklet. Yeah, MacBook Pro. Let's read this a little bit. Yeah, just basic information, because you can't do anything without agreeing. I will just say with like just setup, it is very like user-friendly. It feels good to touch, and like I just enjoy the keyboard. It's very sleek. I really am happy with it. I wonder if can I touch the screen? I don't know if it's touch screen. Oh, the keyboard is backlit. I've always wanted that. So now I'm choosing Siri's voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
They got a black Siri? Hold on.
Hi, I'm Siri.
They got a black Siri.
You'd like me to use.
I'm pretty sure this is a black voice. That's what's up. And y'all know Siri be popping up all randomly and uncalled for. You ever be in the room by yourself alone, you hear Siri talking about some, Nobody said anything to you? Nobody called you, ma'am? I was really afraid of this being too big, but I'm glad that it's like, this feels good to me. I can't imagine what the Air would be like. I'm glad I didn't get that one. It's asking for my fingerprint. It says lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. So I can make purchases from my laptop with my fingerprint. I forgot about this because I don't have this on my iPhone 11. I had it on my iPhone 6. iPhone 6 just uses Face ID. Okay. Apple Pay, continue. I already know I have Apple Pay. Or I guess I could set it up later. Okay, it already has my cards. Cool. Getting my card out over here. Setting up Apple Pay. They're really trying to make it a lot easier for me to spend my money, and I really appreciate that. Sometimes, y'all, there are times when I like will not buy something strictly because I don't feel like getting up to get my card. And here we are. We are in now to my new MacBook. Well, all right, you guys. Thank you for rocking with me this long. If you did, I'm really excited about my new MacBook, so hopefully you're excited about getting yourself one too. This charger cable is like really long. It's not super duper long, but it's a nice length, and yeah, I'm just really excited about this. And then guys, this also came with a brand new pair of Airpods because Apple is currently doing their back to school promo. These Airpods were completely free. I don't know if you guys got to look at the price tag, but this was actually $1,399 before tax because I purchased it through my school bookstore. But that was just the option I chose. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video. Please comment on it if there are any suggestions that you may have or videos that you want to see. And please share it with your friends and everybody. And if you made it this far, thank you.